All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. And your topic is describe a place you visited where the air was polluted. Please, you can start.
Nowadays, pollution is everywhere in my country, so it is difficult to find non-polluted area. Last month, I received an invitation from my brother. He lived in Karachi, so I decided to go with my family. We went by train and then we hired a taxi. When I reached her home, I realized my eyes feel burning, and I realized my son also feel burning, also feel eye infection. Uh, so my brother told that she's common problem. So my brother told is common problem in Karachi. Karachi is most polluted area in my country. The reason is many commercial areas and traffic.
Okay, you spoke for around 50 seconds, so try to elaborate further. And grammatical mistakes, my eyes feel burning. So you say, I had a burning sensation
Yeah,
in my
I had
eyes.
burning
Try to
sense.
improve on vocabulary, sentence structure, and all that, okay?
Okay.
And try to speak confidently with full attention. Pay attention to what you are doing and
Yeah.
connect yourself with the topic.
Okay.
That's important. Now we've got speaking part 3. Is there more pollution now as compared to the past?
Yes, in these days are more pollution because no law on the commercial areas and traffic.
Okay, this answer is extremely short. For part 3, try to make at least 5 to 6 sentences, right?
Okay.
Let's go on. How can we reduce pollution?
Sorry.
How can we reduce pollution?
Reduce pollution. Government should make a law and restrict it in factories.
Okay, for part 3, your answers are insufficient. And for part 2, also try to brush up your English and practice all these topics because you are going to get one of them. So you should practice them all, right? So the way you are performing at present, I will rate you at 4.5 band, but you'll have to work hard to improve it, right?
ठीक है
Thank you
ठीक
so
है
much.